Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in today's lesson we're going to learn how to play the shaker with the cajon. So for this lesson we'll be playing the shaker in 16 beats or semiquavers, and that's 16 beats in a bar and 4 in a click. So first let's learn to play the 16 beats with the shaker, and you can count the 16 beats this way: 1 EN, a 2 EN, a 3 EN, a 4 EN. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 EN, a 2 EN, a 3 EN, a 4 EN, a 1 EN, a 2 EN, a 3 EN, a 4 EN, a 1. So before we add the cajon groove, let's first learn how to play the shaker. So you need to keep your wrist loose, like this. So you use about 80% of your wrist and 20% of your elbow. So your elbow is also going, actually, if you look at it, your elbow is also moving, but most of the work is done with your wrist. So the wrist is very loose, and so is the elbow. Second thing, you need to accent on all the 1s, 2s, 3s, and 4s. So 1 EN, a 2 EN, a 3 EN, a 4 EN, a 1 EN, a 2 EN, a 3 EN, a 4 EN, a 1 EN, a 2 EN, a 3 EN, a 4 EN, a 1. Third thing to remember, keep your shaker as straight or as level as possible at all times. If you don't, the grain will fall to one side and the playing will be uneven. Now let's add the cajon groove. So look at the notes and let's play together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's try that faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. That's how you play a shaker with a cajon. I hope you have fun doing it, because playing a shaker with your cajon adds more color and finesse to your playing. So with that, I'll see you in the next video. Have fun drumming and have a beautiful day. Bye bye.